My name is Keith Jessee. I'm the social media manager at Holley Performance Products, and my build is a 1979 Chevy Malibu known as the Hood Rat Hot Rod. It's got a 408 LS motor from Texas Speed backed by a TKO 600 provided by American Powertrain. It's using a Hydramax hydraulic clutch system and their new G Body clutch pedal bracket, and it has the Street Slayer clutch rated for like 800 foot-pounds of torque. It's a lot of fun. I love taking it, just ripping up back roads, hitting the autocross, going on a road course. The car is just a lot of fun to drive around town, take trips in because I've got that overdrive gear, keeps the revs down. The hydraulic clutch is really nice. You don't have a real heavy clutch pedal. It's very easy to drive, even though it looks like something that would be a beast to get down the road. I can cruise down the highway at 80 miles an hour at 2,000 RPM, no problem.